What's good, everybody? How we doing? It's another Sunday, another beginning of the week. Remember, we always start our weeks on Sunday, not Monday, Sunday. So we're different out here. I'm going to be going over what I'm looking for the week within these markets. So I'm looking at the same three pairs. I excluded AU. I just wasn't. I wasn't with it. So I got GJ, got EJ, and I got gold. Got three pairs for you. I'm gonna break this down. Like I always say, I'm not gonna take too much of your time. Let's just get into these and look forward for the week. So first pair is GJ, and this is actually what I'm currently looking at. I'm looking at some setups right now. So on the daily, notice how I mentioned that with the start of last week, right? That price was kind of in this bearish condition. I remember on Sunday it finally broke out of this, and I was looking for setups to the upside from here as price came down and tapped this counter trend line to head to the upside. I did catch a buy up here, and I made a nice profit on it. I will also mention that I took a loss as well, and I was anticipating another buy here, and you see price just plunged down to this point where we're at right now. So I can extend this right here, utilize that as an area of support if I wanted to, where price has rejected numerous times and came down again, forming this nice bearish this bearish wick right here to go to the upside, and we have this nice rejection. So I'm gonna go down to the hourly. I really like how price is looking right here. Like I mentioned, we have these rejections to the downside. We have a nice bullish engulfing right here. Price kind of was maintaining right here. It's kind of consolidating, but still maintaining above this area right here. We have another bullish engulfing, and that's kind of that was the first sign of what I saw. First sign that I really saw, first indicator that we're going to continue to the bullish side. And I was really looking at entries at this point. I really like this nice shooting star as well. So I'm going to dive in deeper. I may get into an entry tonight. We'll see. But notice how the first sign I saw was price breaking above this point, kind of came down and continued to the upside. I was really heavily thinking about buying once we rejected this zone right here, this area of resistance turned to support. I was thinking about buying there, but I felt like we were going to get some sort of retracement, a bigger retracement that was bigger than this. So I held out for that one. If we do get a retrace, that'd be great. I'll probably most likely add some buy limits right here, possibly 2. So if price does tap back into this area, I'll be tapped in and we'll take this to the upside. My long-term targets are this area up here. Let me call it, adjust this real quick. I'm gonna call it 193,500. Come on. Alright, perfect. So long term, that's what I'm looking for. And I'm planning on, once I get into this trade, I'm planning on holding to reach that point. Now with EJ, very similar. And I apologize, my chart is looking crazy right now. And I apologize. I mentioned that I took an L on GJ. I took an L on EJ, and you can see it right here. This is the L I took. So I thought price was going to continue to the upside because my bias was bullish overall. I noticed that price rejected this area and used this area as support, and I saw another rejection. We got 2 right here, and that's when I got in. Price was giving bullish signs at that moment, so I got in, and unfortunately I got stopped out in my sleep. Price came all the way down here, and to this point right here, I could Yeah, yeah. So rejection and price coming to the upside, similar to GJ. Like I always say, GJ and EJ are too similar. So what's happening on GJ most likely will be happening on EJ. Just to let y'all know. But same bias that I have with GJ. I just think GJ looks a lot more sexier when it comes to this entry position. And yeah, I mean we have this gap right here. But yeah, I definitely think GJ looks sexier. But I'm same thing, same bias. I am overall bullish on EJ as he has this basically this double bottom right here on. You could probably see it better on the daily. Yeah, we have a double bottom right here. And nice rejection overall from this point. So I can see price heading to the upside long term as well. So just stay tuned for that. And then last pair, I always try to analyze is gold. So notice first thing is this major wick to the upside, meaning that we have a lot of sellers within this market currently, or at least as of Friday, where buyers took price all the way up here, right? Sellers brought price all the way back down of around. Let me see, I want to calculate the amount of pips. Starting up here, all the way down here. Crazy. So that's that. Where we are right now doesn't look too appealing to me. Nothing that I would like to, look for entries at this point in time, because I'm kind of in a loop where we're in this previous bullish condition, but we have this major wick and bearish engulfing huge bearish candles to the downside. So why would I buy right now? But why would I sell? Just not giving me any signs to either directions right now. What I would like to see though, is a continuation, right? Of excuse me, I'm trying to find all my stuff. So either a continuation to the downside right here, where we could either buy off of this area of previous support and take it to the upside, or price could break this point and continue to the downside, or price could use this as, still trying to look for my stuff, price could use this as a higher low potentially, and sort of push to the upside from here if price breaks this point right here. I'm pointing at the screen like y'all can see, but if price breaks this point right here, right, and we get some sort of break and retest to continue to the upside and most likely target these previous highs, that would be nice, that would be sweet to look into. But where we are right now, I believe that price is going to continue to the downside based off this previous bearish. I mean, look at it, this bearish pull. We have this pullback to the upside, and let me go back to the hourly. We basically have this bearish engulfing right here. So that's why I say they're like imposing sides. So we could either see bullish signs or bearish signs out of this, but as of right now, we don't really have anything, to base an entry off of. So we're gonna wait till we get either a break up here or a break down here, where price can maintain this area of support like I mentioned, or it could break below to continue on with this bearish side of things. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say for those pairs. Next time I need to really clear up my charts before I break these down, but it is what it is. Looking hella nice right here. Too nice. I'm still gonna wait for a pullback. And I also want to mention that The main reason why I didn't get in and I was so reluctant on getting in at that certain point was because of let me 65 pip stop loss. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, like 50, that's like my max. I try to not get above 50. 50's like, okay, you pushing it. 65, come on, brother. So, I'd rather wait for pullback optimally to this point again. This point again. It's just within this area, right? I would like to see a pullback so I can catch this move here. So yeah, that's about it right now. So yeah, thank y'all for tuning in to this breakdown. I'm gonna keep it going every Sunday. All about consistency. It's all about providing value for you guys. I love y'all. Yeah, but yeah, let's have a good trading week. Peace.